Okay, testing 1 to 3, testing 1 to 3. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the PNG Pacific Capital live streams. I think what I'm gonna do for this session is I'm just gonna hold my mic like this. This is what I'm gonna do. Yeah, my bad. I think the headphones are better. Anyways, I was in a trade since London session, so I'm just gonna do a top-down analysis for the sake of doing a top-down analysis right now. Yeah, anyways, let's just check Forex Factory if we have any high impact news coming up for this session. So looking at Forex Factory right now, we have we do have unemployment claims coming out tonight for USD. As far as shit, we did have FOMC this morning. How the fuck did I miss that? Okay, anyways, as for US session, we have unemployment claims coming out. London session, we have nothing. We don't have any bank holidays, so I think we're gonna go ahead now to our top-down analysis, starting on the because we're approaching the end of the week. We're also approaching the end of the month, so let's see what's happening on the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, we have 6 days until this monthly candle closes. Previous monthly candle closed above this previous distance over here at around 1975, 960. Looking at the monthly time frame, if you do drive bearish, if you do continue bearish, we'll have to break below the previous monthly candle low. But if you do respect the previous monthly candle low, then definitely start pushing bullish, to be honest. Who knows? We could really anticipate some bullish pressure coming in at this point. But we're extremely bearish on the monthly time frame. We've been bearish for the past 3 weeks. We're heading into the last week of May right now. So who knows? The last week of May can just definitely like drive price all the way bullish, just like we did on the last week of June. Actually, on the first week of May, actually. So right now we're currently trading below this support area over here on the weekly time frame at around 1969 300. And if we do continue bearish, we would have to come down to this. We'll have to fill all these wicks to the left over here and come down to this most of this previous resistance area at 1928, 1930 area right over here. This resistance was found on the 23rd, the 30th of January actually. So we do have clean range over here. We just have to see some very strong bullish pressure to come down and drive price bearish. We do have a lot of rejection wicks over here. So been rejecting this area since the 28th of March. So we could potentially reject this area again. But weekly is extremely bearish. Looking at the daily time frame, it's a little bit tricky on the daily time frame right now. We can clearly see how yesterday's daily candle right here closed below, slightly below this previous support area that was formed on last week Friday's daily candle. So I think, to be honest, I think I was heavy bearish after seeing this bearish candle closure over here. Actually took a sell during Asian session, and our trade is still open right now. So basically, looking at the daily time frame, we have a nice candle closure below resistance, and at this point, we're really anticipating this daily candle drive further bearish towards the lows over here. If we do continue bearish, I'm expecting price to fill the wicks to the left. First stop could be 1952. If price exceeds 952, then we're going to see how price is going to move through all this rejection wick over here. Could potentially come down to 1940, but that's later on. First stop is 952 for sells, and we'll see how that plays out. For buys, you know, if this does turn out to be a fake out, then man, you know, this is a pretty good range to be taking a trade in. We have clean ranges from 1970 all the way down to 1960, 1950 area right over here. Dropping to the forward time frame, we are breaking above the previous forward candle right now. It's getting a little bit tricky right now. So basically, we have this minor resistance over here on the forward time frame that was formed during the 11 a.m. forward candle, and then we also have a support area right over here, which we're actually starting to break out of now on the forward time frame. That's it right there. Very interesting now, to be honest. Very, 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 very interesting. If we continue bullish, I think we have some nice clean range over here. We could correct some of these moves over here. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, our current 1 hour candle is extremely bullish at this point. We're pretty much approaching this resistance area over here. We'll see if we respect this resistance area or not. It's gonna be very, very interesting. Yeah, but if we do break through this resistance area, then we're definitely coming up to this resistance area over here, 1962, a little bit above 1962.50. So this range over here is not an ideal range to be taking a trade in. We might come out to do some sort of a fake out and then drive back bearish. That's what I think. We also have this 1 hour candle closing in the next 8 minutes, 9 minutes. So we're highly likely to be closing bullish. And if it does close bullish, we're creating some sort of support in 1955, 1956 area. And yeah, this range over here on the 1 hour time frame is a pretty questionable range. I think if you do get confirmations on sells, you could definitely come back to retest the lows. We also have a series of lower highs here and lower lows here. And hopefully, if we do respect this high over here, and if we do create some sort of resistance, formulating some sort of another lower high, will definitely come down, break these lows, form a new low down here. Start. Dropping out to the 30-minute time frame. Now, based on the 30-minute time frame, we can adjust our zones a little bit. We also have a 30-minute resistance over here at around 1961. Right here. And we have this 30-minute candle closing in the next 6 minutes. Above, if you do break above this resistance, our next roadblock would be above 1964. 1964 is a pretty significant area, but won't be too comfortable taking this any trade in this range. This is a 25 pip range, so just gonna be patient on this one. Yeah. So I think better buys are going to be above 1964. Yeah, better buys are going to be above 1964. Oh. Or 1963.50, yeah. Interesting. It's going to be interesting.
Introducing Final Press. It directly brews coffee in your mug.
We're taking a buy or sell. Well, to be honest, price is pretty much ranging at this point, so we're not looking at anything right now. But based on overall higher time frame, the daily time frame and the 4-hour time frame, I think sales will be great. We have broken above, slightly above the previous 4-hour candle, but this just could just be a liquidity grab. So I think price could drive bearish only because of the fact that we've closed below the support area on the daily time frame right here. So I think would have further drive bearish, to be honest. Yeah, but we just have to wait for confirmations. Better confirmations. We also have the 30-minute candle closing bullish. The previous 1-hour candle also closed bullish. You know, highly likely this could be a liquidity grab for price to come bearish, but we also have this 1-hour candle coming down to this minor support area on the 1-hour time frame and the 30-minute time frame. So we'll see if we can break through that level, drive for the bearish. That would be great. Super great. I'm actually up $500 already for the day, so not looking to take any trade during a London session now, so we'll see. Yeah, I think why not take trades on GJ, bro? I don't trade. I don't take. I don't trade GJ, and I used to, but I don't trade it anymore. Yeah, personally, I'm gonna be waiting for price to come up above 9064 or even 9061. If you have a nice closure above 9061, then I'm gonna look to take a trade. But right now, I'm not looking at anything at this point. We have the previous 1-hour candle high broken, so I don't know. See, we'll see how it plays out. We also have this Just chilling right now, guys. Amazing, 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 amazing. Do you believe in the fear of winning? Nah, not really. I don't think anybody's afraid of winning. Everybody's always looking forward to winning. But you know, FOMO is a real thing. If you're missing out, that's a real thing. Everybody wants to win, but in this game, you really have to control your emotions when winning, man. You can't get ahead of yourself, bro. Do you have magic keys? I used to have magic keys. The physical version, I don't know if I have it. No, I don't have it. I don't have the physical version with me right now. I did purchase the second version. I did purchase the second version, but that's the version where you have to put the AAA batteries in it. So I don't know. I think I lost the connection thingy for the USB, and yeah, I just did away with it. And then I downloaded the software version. The software version works just as fine. But then I switched from Lenovo PC to an Apple computer right now. So with the Apple computer, it's a little bit tricky having to download it. So I just gave up trying to download it. So if anyone out there knows how to download magic keys on Apple, let me know. Yeah, I just gave up trying to do anything with it, to be honest. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit tricky right now. It's going to be very, very tricky. We have this 1-hour candle pushing bullish, 30-minute candles pushing bullish. The 4-hour time frame, the 4-hour candle is pushing bullish. We have 1 hour 50 minutes until this 1-hour candle closes, so we'll see if we can get another trade for this session. I already have 2 trades for the session. We're pretty much up $556 for the day. To be honest, I'm not too sure if I want to take a for trade to be honest. We'll see if we can get something off this. We're slowly starting to come up. If we do break above this 30-minute candle, we have to see how price reacts off to this resistance area on the 30-minute time frame. We're slightly breaking above this support. This resistance on the 4-hour time frame at 1954.50. Now 1960 is also a key level right here, 1960. So previous 30-minute candle rejected that. We had the 9:30 candle, the 10 a.m. candle, and the 11:30 a.m. candle reject 1962. So, 1960 is a pretty significant level that we have to pay attention to. So, we'll see. If we do have a nice solid break above 1960, then we'll see if we can take a trade above 1961. Or price to potentially tap into 1964. But if we do reject 1960, then I know for sure that we're coming back bearish. Maybe for this session. Overall, I think gold is going to go bullish, but for this session, we might go bearish. But as usual, we want to put ourselves in the best position to win. Right now, price is in a range, and it's not very wise to be taking a trade in a range because, in a range, it's pretty much 50-50 at this point. So if we are going to take a trade in this range, we're going to significantly reduce our risk. But, we might as well just stay away from this range, to be honest. So, this, let's see. Yeah, this first trade over here was taken on the 4-hour time frame. Took a sell on 4-hour time frame. We did come into a little bit of profits, but I think I held a little bit too long. I should have closed in profits. I would have closed in profits at like $400 plus, but got a little bit greedy there, held it back into drawdown, and just decided to cut my trade. Cut it at this was a 2-lot trade actually. Cut it at like 10 pips, minus 10 pips. The second trade, the second and the third trade was taken off the fact that this was a pretty impulse entry. I took it right off 1960 right away for this small retracement coming down. What is the best motivation for you? The best motivation for me right now is my kids. But I don't like to find motivation. I try to stay consistent. I think being consistent is a better term to use than motivation, because sometimes you don't have motivation to get out of bed, to do work, to handle the business, but you have to stay consistent, regardless of how you feel. But if I have to say what keeps me consistent, be having to work for my kids. Kids are the best, guys. Kids are the fucking best. Mini Penna say, hey brother, good morning. I'm in a trade buy 1976 buy stock. 1976. Oh, bro, that's all the way up there, bro. Man, I think you should close your trade. I mean, if I were you and if I was in a buy for this long, bro, why did you take a buy at 1976 and didn't have a stop loss? You are in significant drawdown right now. So just close the trade, bro. Did you learn anything from Uncle Ted? Not really. I can't really grasp how he trades because he sometimes takes trades in the 1 minute time frame. So, ooh, $500 again loss. Shit, bro. I mean, this range over here is pretty tricky right now. So I wouldn't be taking any trades in this range. Maybe wait for price to come up above 1963.50 maybe. Or 1962.60. Yeah, 1962.60 is a pretty significant range to be. $500 minus again loss I made again. What do you think? I'll go up 96 again today. Bro, I wouldn't know if price is gonna go back up 1976. I mean, look, the daily candle yesterday extremely bearish, bro. 1976 is all the way up there, mate. Like all the way up there. And the last time gold was up at 1976 was at 11 a.m. last night. 11 a.m. last night, and now it's 5 p.m. 11 p.m. last night, and now it's 5 p.m. It's like 11, 12, 16 hours, 17 hours ago, man. I don't know. I don't know if price can come up to 97.6 for this session, bro. But man, if you're in this drawdown on gold, I think gold can continue pushing bearish. Yeah, bro. The only problem, mistakes can be made on the charts, but you have to figure out how you're gonna react to it. React to the mistakes you made. You know, I think, bro, you should cut your trade. You should cut your trade in a loss and accept that loss. You know, sometimes you don't like cutting your trade and accept the loss because you're in the hopes that price is gonna go back up to that level. And that could be pretty dangerous, man. Holy shit. You probably didn't sleep, eh? Mini Panda. I mean, being in a drawdown for 17 hours, I mean more than 12 hours is I mean 11. So you have price was at 11 p.m. last night, you have 11 a.m. that would be 12 hours. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 16 hours, bro. You've been in a drawdown for 16 hours on gold, man. I wish you all the best. Mate, if I were you, close out the chat, go drink some water, go for a run, come back, sleep, cry. Nah, I'm kidding. Not I'm crying, but man, you have to move on to the next trade, bro. There's always the next trade. Just cut it and move on. You prefer trading with $100 account or doing a 50? Neither. Can't do and make any subsistence substantial living with a $100 account, and really don't wanna do $50 trading challenge any. Yeah. How many hours do you spend on average daily trading? 3 hours max. 3 hours max. 3 hours max is good. 3 hours max. I don't think any of my live streams is gone above 3 hours, to be honest. Let's see if we have any streams that went above that. So we have 2 hours, yeah. Most of my streams are less than 3 hours. I think I had one stream which I streamed from Asian session to NY session, which was like 6 hours long, just because I wanted to try this thing out. But yeah, but most of my streams are less than 2 hours. Some of them are more than 2 hours. It's a tiny bit, a few are more than 3 hours. Brother, can you explain about last FOMC last night? Bro, I have no idea what happened last night with FOMC, but all I can tell you is FOMC drove price bearish. And honestly, mate, because I wasn't streaming yesterday, I never really didn't know that FOMC came out last night. I mean, this morning, 4 a.m. It came out this morning, 4 a.m. So I was pretty much asleep by then. I was asleep. I was asleep. I was not on the chats. I didn't know FOMC came out. I would have woken up if I had known. I mean, I don't know. Maybe I would have. Yeah, but yeah, I don't think we're gonna have any volume for now. I think we're gonna have volume coming during NY session because unemployment claims coming out, so we might have some nice decent volume coming out during unemployment claims. Anyways, thank you for whoever liked the stream third. Mini Pen said, brother, can you trade for me? Nah, bro. Why would you ask me to trade for you, bro? Are you having difficulty in trading? Are you having kind of trouble are you facing trading, bro? Where can I take my buy position? Well, you can take your buy position anywhere. As for me, this session, because I'm already up for the day, we might take a trade above 1961, but it will depend on this kind of closure over here. If it's not 1961, I think better confirmations for buys will be above 1962.50. That will be a better position to take buys above. On the 30-minute time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, we're looking at be above 1962.50 right there. Just going to change. To purple. This right here is the 1 hour support resistance area. Brother, can you give me a signal for a trade? Bro. That is exactly what we do every session, bro. Like, if I see a trade on stream, I take the trade, and if you want to take the trade with me, it's entirely up to you. I'm not holding your hands. I'm not telling you to take a trade with me. You want to do it, you do it. So we already have $556 for the day, so yeah, I'm just gonna leave it at that. How can I become consistent without losing most of my profits in one day that I've made over a month? Have a good risk management. Be consistent with your lot sizes. Cut your losses quickly. Don't dwell on the previous trade. Meaning, if you take an L on the previous trade, on the next trade, don't dwell on the previous trade. You have to stay confident, stay consistent, and just continue with your plans and your rules. And yeah, just take to the next trade. If you take a win on the previous trade, don't dwell on the trade too. Don't get cocky. Don't get overconfident. Don't because you had a winning trade, you start getting overconfident and decide to increase your lot sizes on the next trade. So yeah, don't dwell on the previous trade. Just stay focused, stay consistent, and just keep on going. And don't put yourself in a position where you're gonna lose big. Mini Panda, bro, brother, signal please, bro. There's nothing right now. Gold is ranging, bro. If you want to take a trade in this range, man, you know better going to the poker machine and playing pokers. So there's no trade, man. If I see a trade, I'm gonna call it out. I mean, I'm not gonna call it out for you guys to take it. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna let you know. So we're still waiting for confirmations, bro. Still waiting for confirmations. There's no confirmations to take any trade yet. So do not rush me. Rush me. Many partners give me a WhatsApp number. Mate, message me on IG. That's the best way you can get in touch with me. IG or Discord, bro. I don't know if you're in on Discord. I think you're on Discord, bro. Just message me on Discord. Come on, bro. Shit. You're asking for my WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number is for my family only. I mean, unless you want to send me some money. Nah, jokes. Does anyone know how to increase the bass on this microphone? We're starting to push up now. We have 5 minutes until this 30-minute candle closes. Really struggling to break above 1960. So 1960 right here. Strong level, bruh. Strong level. Let's see. Let's see what we have here. Do we have any flags here? Red flag at 1960. Shit. How many emojis are going to put up here? Where's the red flag? Oh, there it is. Red flag in 1960. Red flag right here. Be careful when you're coming into 1960 area. What do you think about xness? I don't know what you're saying. I haven't trade you and I'm pretty profitable. When should I go live? As soon as possible. I don't think you can learn anything from a demo account. I think anybody willing to trade live should go. I mean, anybody trying to learn how to trade should go live as soon as possible. Because going live is the best way to feel what it's like to lose, and from then you can adjust your mental state, psychology, discipline, your character, and how to deal with losses. WhatsApp number, give me for advice about any trade. Bro, we have a members group on Discord, but it's a paid service, bro. And if you find it, you find it. If you don't, then it's up to you. But if you want me to, if you need help, bro, message me on Instagram, bro. I'll help you out on Instagram. I don't need to give you my WhatsApp number, bro. Come on. And close your trade out, bro. I mean, 1976, you've been in a drawdown since 11 p.m. last night. That's more than 16 hours of drawdown. So if I were you, man, I'll just close it. Just close your trade out, go drink some water, and go have a little bit of a cry, bro. Like a little bit of a cry wouldn't hurt. Exercise, and come back swinging. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. Sorry to hear that, bro. I mean, man, every time you take a trade, always remember to put your stop loss in place. Please put your stop loss in place. That's the first thing. You shouldn't. Okay, let me give you this game. You'll notice that whenever I take a trade, I don't really focus too much on profits. The main thing that I focus on is my losses. So first things first, whenever I enter a trade, stop losses, straight up, hard stops in place. When my stop loss is in place, doesn't mean that I let my trade run to that stop loss. That only means that, you know, if anything were to happen, I'll be fine if I take a loss at that level. But if a trade goes against me, then I'm always looking to manage risk, always looking to cut my losses. So yeah, if you work on your losses, I think the profits come automatically. So just work on your losses, bro. Cannot stress this enough. Focus on your losses. I mean, you'd be stupid if you take a big L now and then you don't learn anything from it, and you're only thinking of your next trade, which you're hoping that it could be a win. So if you take a big L now, you really have to dwell. I mean, you really have to learn from it and see where you went wrong. And in your case, I think you should have put a stop loss. Oh, look at this shit. We're breaking above the 30-minute time frame right now. We're approaching this 30-minute resistance over here. We've also broken above the previous one kind of high. see. Hey, folks. Good afternoon, bro. How you doing? Morning. Yeah, morning. It's morning at your end. So morning, bro. How you doing, bro? Mini Panda is in a drawdown again for this session. Has been in a drawdown for the past 16 hours. So we're just praying for him at this hour right now. Amazing, brother. You well? Yeah, bro. I'm doing good. I actually did a little bit of clean up in my room, so just didn't want to wear a t-shirt. Just trying to just mini panda mini mini panda keeps asking me for my WhatsApp number, bro. Come on, mate. I'm not gonna give my WhatsApp number on air, on stream like this. Come on, bro. Message me on Instagram. Do you have my Instagram, bro? Here, let me just put my Instagram, and you'll see. See, let's see if I'm still logged into my Instagram account. Okay, let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame right now. We have the previous 30-minute candle close shy of this 30-minute resistance over here at 9061. This is also the 1 hour resistance level over here that was formed during the 9 a.m. candle this morning. Yeah, we'll see if this resistance holds. If we do break above it, then maybe, just maybe, we could have volume drive price through. Now if we do a little bit of a technical analysis, bro, here, this is my Instagram. Follow me, follow my Instagram account right here, guys. And Mini Panda, if you want to get in touch with me, you can message me here. I'm not giving you my WhatsApp over the stream, bro. Come on, bro. Oh, you message me on Instagram? Oh yeah, Mini Panda. There's also man, I don't know if Mini Panda's on Discord. Just gonna post another link on Discord here for Mini Panda to hop in. It's on the description. It's on the description below, bro. Just click the description below and click on the link. Oh, you messaging me on Instagram? Shit, okay, we'll see, we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, we'll check it out, bro. We'll check it out. Check it out later. We will check it out. Anyways, we're starting to rip through this resistance area. I think we could have volume drive price through it now. This be a good trade. Is 30 pip, like a 24 pip range on the 30-minute time frame. We could potentially rip through it. You know, otherwise we're just forming clean traffic. Might have price coming back bearish. So just be careful trading this. If we do form some more, like if we do form a clean traffic coming down, we could potentially come down to retest the lows. So we just have to be very, very patient with this one. Very patient. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. I don't really like looking at the 50-minute time frame, but let's just check out the 50-minute time frame and the 5-minute time frame. Yo, looking at the 5-minute time frame, if you have a nice candle closure back below this range here in the 5-minute time frame, I wouldn't hesitate to get in, to be honest. We'll see how it closes in the next 2 minutes. Let's see. It's the 5-minute time frame. 5-minute time frame resistance right here. What's this level? Let's put a red line here. Let's only visualize it on the 5-minute time frame. Guys, you might have a last trade for this last trade on the stream right now. Let's see, well, how much is this range from here to here? That's like a 13 pip range. Then from there all the way down to the support area on the 1 hour time frame is 45 pip range. So catch 15 pips out of this range, that would be great. Okay, if you do take a trade in this range, we're gonna anticipate. Okay, this is a pretty advanced entry right now that we're gonna take. So I'm not advising anyone to take a trade on this one. But if you do take a trade, control your risk, and yeah, just take it at your own risk, bro. Just take it at your own risk. We have 40 seconds until this kind of closes. Yeah, guys, I have a sell stop on gold at 960 right here. Break of this candle right here. We get in, then we get in. 60, 960. Break 960, then I'm anticipating this whole move over here to be a fake out. So we're gonna have price really drive bearish at this point. Really didn't want to take this trade on the 5-minute time frame, but how things are looking, definitely start driving bearish. Moving my range a little bit. Guys, we're in this trade right here. This is where our entry is. Stop loss is gonna be on the 4 time frame. Now, since we took this trade on the 5-minute time frame, our stops are gonna be above the previous 5-minute candle high, and we're gonna target these lows at 1956 right here. This is gonna be a great trade, guys. Yeah, we're in this trade because it's the 5-minute time frame. Pop the one lot in this trade. It's gonna be good. We actually got activated 1959.90 right here. Oh fuck. Let's see. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how this plays out. Gonna be interesting. Like I said, this is a 40 plus pip range down to the lows over here, so maybe if we can get like 10-15 pips, I wouldn't mind. We also have the next 5-minute candle closing bearish. I think as long as we stay below 1960.50, I think we're good to drive bearish. Right there. So three things actually. Price tapped into the 1 hour support level, price tapped into the 30-minute support level, and the 5-minute candle closed back in the range. This is where we took this trade. Mini Panda said it's not sell, it's full bullish for now. Yeah, I mean, up to you, bro. Up to you. I want to be down in this session quick, so this is the trade that I'm getting in on. If you do drive back bullish, that's fine. Gonna be our trade for this session. We actually got slipped a little bit, 1959, 99. So we're already up $500 for the day. With this trade, I'm only risking $150. So yeah. This trade, we're only risking $150. Get rid of this red flag. Really anticipating volume to drive through all these levels on gold right here. So going to be interesting. Let's get rid of this first. Yeah, even when we're taking trades on the 5-minute time frame, we're always looking to manage risk as well. So stay tuned, guys, to see some world-class risk management. We'll see. Let's see. Let's put the 30-minute time frame on this side of the screen. Currently bearish on the 30-minute time frame. I think if you stay bearish, that would be great. And we're not anticipating this 30-minute count to break its own highs. If you do break our own highs, then this trade is pretty much invalid at this point. So let's see. Could have gotten in right here, to be honest. This would have been a better entry, but decided to take it with more confirmations down over here. Shit, where's your stop loss? 1961.50. Yeah. Kind of starting to flip bullish again on the 5-minute time frame. Tapping into this 5-minute resistance again. You know, if we get stopped out, we get stopped out. We're gonna call it a session. You know, as long as we stay below this 30-minute resistance at 1961.60, trade is still valid. The yellow line up there, yellow line right here is the 30-minute resistance. So as long as we stay below it, I think we're good. Just tap into that again for the second time. I think we could start drawing bearish now. Let's go. I think this is a pretty risky trade, to be honest. Looking at hindsight. Yeah, we'll see. Where can I send my analysis? You can send it to Discord. Go back in profits. Back in profits. We have 5 minutes until 30-minute candle closes. 5 minutes until this one candle also closes. So we have this previous 5-minute candle close without a bottom wick. A little bit tricky at this point. What we're going to do is we're going to reduce our risk a little bit down to 1961. Because I'm not expecting price to tap into this resistance again. If it does tap into it again, then we could definitely start breaking through it. So yeah, reduce risk down to 1961. So from $150 risk, now we're just risking $100. 3 minutes until this candle closes. Not expecting price to come up above this 5-minute resistance, and really anticipating this 1-hour resistance to hold. So let's see. Hopefully we can grind ourselves bearish. Yeah, we're always looking to see how we can reduce risk. So oh, we start breaking 9, if you start breaking this level here, then I want to move my stops to break even 950, 850 right here. But we don't want to get too greedy because this trade was taken on a 5-minute time frame. I don't think I'm gonna hold it all the way to target over here. I'm just gonna see if we can secure it early, depending on how this 5-minute level holds over here. Let's see, we have this 5-minute resistance, 5-minute support area over here. We'll see if it holds. Yo, goodness. Thank goodness. Yeah, I think once we tap once we start breaking below this 30-minute candle low here, I think we could definitely start driving bearish. I'll be back. I'll be back. Okay, there we go. Back at entry. Hopefully this could be the top wick, and can have the top wick of the 30-minute time frame. I could have price starting to drive bearish again. Holy shit. Yeah, we're about to get stopped out. Yeah, we just got stopped out. Ladies and gentlemen, we just got stopped out. We're still up 450 session day. So 2 wins, 2 losses. Amazing session, guys. Looking at hindsight, shouldn't have taken this trade on the 5-minute time frame. It was a stupid mistake. I think this thing is gonna be bullish now. We're gonna call it a session at this point. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in. Yeah. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Could probably do a trading recap after this. We'll see how it goes. Cheers, guys.